100 million units sold sa loob ng isang taon across 100 countries. This one is very affordable na meron siyang 2.5K high resolution and best night vision. So balitaan nyo na yung family natin, mga young drivers, and even mga Grab drivers, pwedeng kumuha nito. This is the 70 A410 Dual Dashcam. Unboxing time para makita nyo ang items. Electrostatic stickers, user manual, 70 A410 unit, mount pad and heat-resistant adhesive, power cable, rear cam and USB socket, 24-hour parking surveillance hardware kit, 128GB Transcend SD card, crowbar. Ito ang complete set kasama ang 70 hardware kit. Para sa mabilis at maayos sa proseso, nagpatulong na lang ako sa aming expert technician dito sa aming shop at S5S to ensure also the wiring standards at hindi ko pa naranasan mano-mano kasi to connect a hardware kit at pakialaman ang nasa fuse box.
Accessories, battery, ito negative ground.
Compact ang design kasing laki lang ito ng palad ng typical na Pilipino at maganda ang viewing dahil flat ang screen nito when you install it dahil sakto yung curvature ng dashcam sa shape ng windshield. Easy viewing point because adjustable ang cam ng 360 degrees and ease of access when you do the browsing navigation via dashcam. Aalog-alugin ko ang kotse na to dahil meron tayong G-sensor detection while parked na nagtitrigger when collision happens. It records 30 seconds time frame from sudden impact. The 70 A410 in combination with the UP03 accessory can activate the 24-hour parking monitoring system of the product. Meron itong incredible na f1.55 ultra-wide aperture para sa mas pinalinaw na nighttime driving. Hindi sabog ang detalye ng plaka and it's doing great sa street light glare scenarios. Up next naman is a dark road eskinita na tanging headlights ko lang halos ang source of light. Malinaw na malinaw pa din. On daytime testing, lalo itong maaasahan. Maski exposed direct to sunlight ang camera, it works really well. Hindi ko lang naipakita dito kaswabe pero yung bigla ang hangon sa mga tunnels for a sudden light changes. Hindi rin ito nababother. Browsing it via phone is the best option kung kinakailangan mong i-check lahat ng files taken. May kanya-kanyang album ito to sort everything. Andyan ang normal videos, emergency, parking surveillance, photos, and time-lapse. One click away lang din ito to download the materials from the recorded files in case you need it. Super user-friendly ito, kahit first-timer ka, kaya mong abutin. Tandaan nyo, ang dashcam hindi luho. Protection yan para pag may nangyari, ito ang maaasahan mong kakampi. Follow me for more car accessory and car reviews. Click mo na yung basket icon dyan. Maraming salamat.